Enhancing the arrangement of products in your Shopify store can optimize the shopping experience and boost opportunities for upselling. Navigate to the Apps section and click EM Product and Collection Sort. In the app dashboard, you will be able to locate the options for creating, editing, and synchronizing collections. To manage sorting for all collections, go to Global Settings. You can disable the Push Out of Stock option, add featured products, and don't push down products based on tags and vendors. Click Save. To push down an out-of-stock product from all the collections, navigate to Global Settings and enable the Push Out of Stock to End feature and click Save. Similarly, to display a product on top of the collection list, go to Global Settings and add the products in the Featured Product section. Click on Save. Also, to prioritize products of specific vendors, navigate to Global Settings and select the vendors that don't push products with these vendors to the end and click Save. In order to prioritize products with specific tags, go to Global Settings and add the preferred tags. You can also remove these features whenever necessary. To individually configure each collection, click Configure Collection in the dashboard. To sort products based on title, select Product Title from the sorting criteria. Further modify the product list accurately with the help of ascending and descending order options. Navigate to the storefront to preview the sort changes made. The changes will be affected only after the syncs. For more sorting options, enable the collection settings. You can disable the Push Out of Stock to End feature, add the featured products to show on top of each collection, and prioritize products from specific vendors and tags. Click Save to submit the changes. The individual collection sort settings have higher weightage than the global collection settings. For manually sorting the collection list, choose Manually from the sorting options available. You have the flexibility to effortlessly drag and organize the products to your liking, then click Save. Navigate to the storefront to preview the sort changes made. You also have the option to effortlessly arrange the product list by bulk uploading with a CSV file and sorting the collection. Upload the CSV file to sort the order effortlessly, and click Save. Navigate to the storefront to preview the sort changes made. Manage your store's collections with a bunch of effective sorting options like price, inventory, published date, best-selling, and more.